Powerful things occur when you combine seemingly unrelated ideas. Take chocolate and peanut butter. The creamy, rich texture of peanut butter pairs exceptionally well with the smooth and sweet flavour of chocolate. This fusion is so good it can be found in candies, spreads, and baked goods all over the world. Similarly, by linking notes, you can create a network of knowledge that will spark profound and delicious new ideas that can transform not only your life, but the lives of everyone around you. Creating links between notes and files is as easy as typing left square bracket twice on your keyboard, then select the file you want to link to. And you're done. You just linked 2 files. Obsidian supports 2 link formats, Wikilink and Markdown. By default, due to its more compact format, Obsidian generates links using the Wikilink format. If you want to use notes in different apps, use Markdown. This will help you keep your notes working well in all the apps. There is, however, a special feature about Obsidian that makes it shine above all other note-taking apps. The ability to create links to notes you have not created yet. This is very powerful. It enables you to grow your digital garden incrementally by identifying gaps in your knowledge. Let me show you what I mean with a real-world example. This is an X post from Maria Popova that I loved. Let's create a note called New Year's Resolutions and paste the text in it. Let's open up the local graph so you can see what happens as I go along. Hit Command P and type local and hit enter. Now I'm going to select the name of each individual and type left bracket twice. The graph updates to show nodes for each author, but these files don't exist yet. I know because they are represented by dark grey circles. This is how you identify your knowledge gaps. Let's say I am now ready to research Kierkegaard. If I right-click on his link and select Create File, the circle changes colour to a light grey. If you have the local graph open as I do, it's enough to click on the note you are ready to create. And voila! Let's create the Vonnegut note to illustrate the next features. I'll paste a brief introduction, and then I'll paste a famous quote by him, but I will add "Caret great quote" at the end. Now I will go back to the note we created earlier and link to that part of Vonnegut's note by appending "caret great quote." When I click on the link, I am taken directly to the quote in his note. By default, Obsidian will show the link text. Let's make this link easier on the eyes. I'll add a vertical bar to end of the link and write Kurt's quote. There, much better. Let's make this even friendlier. You can embed notes and files by adding an exclamation mark to the beginning of the link, like this. Looks great. I have added a picture of Kurt Vonnegut to my vault. Let's embed it to his note the same way we embedded the quote. It is a bit too big for my taste. Let's make it smaller by adding a vertical bar at the end of the link and specifying its dimensions. Yeah, that looks good. I have a PDF of an article by Kurt Vonnegut entitled How to Write with Style. Let's embed it too. The pattern is the same as before, but with PDF files we can add #page equal at the end of the link to embed the page we want. Great! There are more advanced linking strategies such as embedding search results and using aliases, but I will reserve those for a more advanced video in the future. Next, we will focus on making your digital garden even more powerful using Obsidian plugins.